Alright guys, so in this one PCV hose, it goes to a top plate where it goes into the intake manifold. I've seen people take it off and they clean a bunch of gunk and soot inside there. Gonna take mine off. I bought this stuff. I already lost the freaking straw, but it's a carb cleaner, but this is more like an oil base, so it doesn't really dissolve. It leaves a residue, but because I kind of wanted to like spray around for leaks, for vacuum leaks, but I don't want to spray this because it leaves an oily film, so that kind of sucks. So yeah, I'm gonna take this off, take that plate off, and let's see what's in there. Let me set up the light, and this should be kind of interesting. All right, so let me remove these two clips right here. Forgot I even had them loosened already before I started the clip. All right, so basically this right here, I'm gonna take this off, and there's 2, 4, 6 and a ground. Gonna literally take this off. There's a seal in there, and or like a metal, pretty sure it's a metal gasket, and yeah, that's where the PCV goes right into the manifold, just to get those crankcase gases to get reburned. And if my PCV looked like crap, which I restored, imagine how this is looking, especially on a high mile engine and everything. So yeah, let me see, what do I want to do first? Tuck that to the side. Okay, well, I was actually expecting that to be a far tighter, but maybe somebody's been in here. It does kind of look a little bit clean. I don't know if you can tell that from that, but yeah. Take the ground off, and then I'm going to put the ground back on so I don't lose it, or mix it up with another bolt. Right there, there, right there. Oh wait, did I miss this one? Yep. There, and right there. Oops, forgot that one. All right, that has like some resistance in it. And this thing's already lifting off, so probably somebody's been in here already. That did not seem like 20 years of being held down. Same size. Same size. Yeah, so I guess these are all the same size, so put these up here in the cowling. Let's take this off. Not bad at all. There's some oil in there. There's a gasket, it's a little bit oily. Gonna clean this all up, and let's see, let's take a closer look. It's actually not even bad. Honestly, I thought this was gonna be way crustier, but I'm pretty sure somebody's been in here ready to clean this. Give everything a once over. Maybe that was leaking. This is like dusty, a little bit dusty right here. Weird. Okay, so maybe there was some type of leak here, a vacuum leak, and then that piece, check this out, this was dusty. That goes that way, right? Dusty side here. Look how this looks right there. It has the same dust and dirt. So maybe something was getting past here, who knows, but it's definitely worth a shot at just cleaning all this up and getting it ready to go back on. But kind of interesting, kind of a bummer that I didn't find a lot of crud and stuff like that to make it, you know, an improvement. But yeah, but then again, it's also good that it's not terrible. So yeah, let me clean this up real quick. Yeah, this stuff is pretty good. It actually says it loosens up carbon, stuff like that, in like throttle bodies. Actually, you know what? That's gonna be the next thing I'm gonna do right now. This is not bad, so as long as I'm getting this, look at that. So alright guys, I'm gonna clean up everything real nice, show you guys how it looks, and bring you back for the reinstall. Alright guys, so after about 5 minutes of cleaning this, and I took off a lot of carbon deposits and just gunk around here and the mating surfaces of this piece right here, cleaned off that pretty well too, got everything ready to go, and yeah, this is serviced. Pretty sure this is meant to be taken apart and clean. This was possibly taken apart at one time, and yeah, but because I've seen Honda Accords and all that with far worse, and this engine is pretty dang dirty, used and abused and old, high miles and all. So I'm pretty sure somebody definitely has been down here or up here working on it. So gonna reinstall everything the way it was, and that is the wrong way. There we go, perfect. Let me get two started, and yeah, so let me button this up quick and let's go to the throttle body. Let's see how that looks. Clean it out real quick. Also, quick tip, whenever you're putting something on like this that's machined and flat, never go from the outside in, because you can warp it going in, creating a void right here, a leak. You want to treat this like a head. You start from the inside out, so you sandwich it outward. So start with this one, that one's good, 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 and use your inner torque wrench in your wrist for a 10mm bolt. Or well, actually, never mind the throttle body. I'm actually gonna pull these injectors out and just check if there's any buildup or sludge, grime, whatever, and see if something's clogging it or whatever. But yeah, so let's check that out first. I was about to throw this ground on, but then I decided I'm gonna keep it off so I could put this whole harness to the side, pull this rail. Let's see. Looks pretty grimy in there. Alright, so I'm gonna pull these off. Pull that. Let's get these injectors.
Till it's cool, just cool, into the mouth. Nice.
There goes the spray cap. Alright, so a little dirty, but not filthy. Seen worse, seen far worse, especially on D&B series. So let me pull one off one by one and we'll inspect it. Let me get a rag. Make sure nothing falls in there. We don't want no leaking fuel everywhere. Okay, well there's some type of clip. Alright guys, so I'm on my second injector, and besides like little build up like that, the injector overall seems pretty clean, especially right there where the nozzle's at. That's where the spray pattern comes out. There's like little tiny holes in there. And yeah, so basically I'm just spraying some cleaner in here, spraying the cleaner right here, cleaning up the O-rings and reinstalling. This is already my second one, got that one clean. And yeah, but they're a little bit crusty around these O-rings. Kind of want to clean those up before who knows, maybe it starts leaking, or it could be a vacuum leak, who knows. But yeah, just gonna clean these up, be done with this, then I'm gonna go to the throttle body and take all this off. So yeah, this is really not worth showing anything. All right, so I just wanted to turn this on real quick. That one seemed like the worst injector so far. That has a lot of buildup right there. So good thing I'm getting this. All these are clean, perfectly fine, ready to go. Now it's time to clean that one up. But yeah, some buildup on that one in particular. All right guys, so next up I'm gonna take off, we'll pull it back these, I'm gonna pull back these lines right here, throttle, cruise control, these other PCV lines, whatever this thing is right here, and take off this hose. Gonna take off the whole snorkel and hopefully not take out the box, because kind of don't want to take that off. But yeah, so looks like just the Phillips here, Phillips down there, and I might even take off the map sensor too right there. Check out the O-ring on it and see the condition of it. But yeah. All right, guys, so it looks like, all right, you're gonna be upside down in that, but I'll try and get you closer. It's cleaned already, so yeah. Let me open it up. It's pretty dang gross inside. A lot of carbon in there, a lot of buildup. But on the outside, yeah, somebody was definitely in there, and I see a couple smudge marks. But I'm just gonna go around. It seems to be a little bit gritty. I kind of want to say going like that, which that's not a word you want to hear when you're describing a throttle body that goes into an engine. But I am gonna end up cleaning this up a little bit, where those little mating surfaces are at in the butterfly and the body. And yeah, I'm just gonna put this thing back together. But man, I'm gonna take off this map sensor. Let's see how that looks like. There's carbon in there. There has to be carbon on that. But yeah, so far so good. All right, guys, so just got done cleaning the throttle body. That's about it right there. Just slight residue. And yeah, so it's time to start this thing up, get all that carb cleaner out of the system, and repressurize the fuel system. And yeah, so that's gonna be the little video, man. Really kind of weird, because I was expecting this to be a pretty brutal job to take all the carbon out of here. But this engine is actually showing to be pretty clean, unless they cleaned it and then they try to sell it. But you want to know what I'm really thinking, guys? That they put money into this engine trying to make it run good and get rid of the code, and they failed and pawned it off on me. And they were cleaning things. They did a tune-up, new filter, everything. I just changed the oil yesterday, and I have the oil filter. I'm gonna open that up. If you want to see that, smash the like, let me know, and that's gonna show you all the contamination and particles from the oil. But I think they were just desperate. They changed that fan down there. It's a brand new fan, slim fan, for the overheating issue, and it was just the fan switch. But everything's perfectly fine, but just that code, the P0172. And yeah, so I think they just couldn't get rid of it and pawned it off on me. But I'm gonna make this thing better, and I'm gonna save her. So yeah, if you want to see more, please subscribe and comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace, guys.